Good morning class 5. Today we are starting 12.3. Before doing 12.3, let me tell you that this is again the same chapter that you have done earlier, CPSP, profit, loss and profit percentage, how to find. See, here there is two formula you have to keep it in mind. What are they? Let me show you. Profit percentage. Profit percentage, if we have to find, then it will be profit by CP into 100. And again, if it is loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. And if we have to find profit, the amount of money, if everything is given and the profit is not given to us, then percentage is given, CP is given and divided in 100, and we will get the amount of profit they are doing or the amount of loss they are having. Okay. Regarding the other formulas, CP, SP minus profit, SP, CP plus profit, CP, SP plus loss, SP. After this, till now you have learned how to find CP, SP and what is the amount of profit. But now you will find out what is the profit percentage. So the formula is percentage profit, as you know how to find it out, by CP into 100. Loss percentage, loss by CP to percentage. In fact, if the loss and amount percentage not been given and profit percent you have to found with the percentage, then it will be profit percent into CP by 100 or loss equals to loss percent into CP by 100. So now let's do the sums. It is 12.3. The first sum is done with for you 800, SP 1000, profit 200, loss is 25% profit. I will show you the next sum and you will understand how to do it. Here the book is a 500 CP, SP 300. We have to find loss and loss percentage. Look, what have I done? Book CP is 500, SP 300. Loss is 500 minus 300, 200 rupees. Now I have to find the loss percentage. For that, as the formula is loss by CP into 100, loss is how much? 200. This is loss we have found. So 200. CP is 500. So 500 into 100. 0 is cutting out. 540 is at 4 is at 20. So 4 and 0. So percentage is 40%. The percentage is 40%. Once again, CP minus SP, I got the profit number. Till this much you have learned to do. Now after this you are learning. So CP, if the loss is 200, I will divide this with 5000 and multiply with 100 to get the percentage. If I am dividing it, 0 we will cut. I will get 200 by 5. So 5 with 220, 4 is 20, so 4 and 0, 10. So it will be 40%. Next one is C. Cricket bat costs 200 and SP is 50. Now, if the SP is bigger, that means it's a profit. So profit is of 40 rupees. Now, again the formula is profit by the amount of money we have profit, that is 50 by CP means 200 into 100. So if I cut 0 and 0, what will I get? 2 is left. So I will cut this 2 and I will get 25. It is 25%. I told you I will show you 800 minus 1000, it was 200. So 200, this is profit by 800 into 100. If I cut all the things, I get 8 left out. This is question number 1. 8, 1, 2 is 16 and from 16, 4, 5. So 25. See, in your book it is 25%. Same here. 50 by 200 into 100. 0 is cut out. 2 is left. 250. 25 is so 25%. Or this way you could have done 50. It is the best process. So don't take the other process. This is the easier one. So better do it in this process only. Otherwise it will be 54 204 into 100. I cut 4 with 100, 25. So it better I cut the 0, I get 2. 2 I am cutting with 2 multiple of 25, I get 2 25. So I am writing from 2 by 2 we are cutting 50 and I am getting 25% is there. Okay. I have shown you one profit, one loss. So rest sums is your homework. Rest is your homework. If you are not able to do, I will give you the next one. Okay, one more I am doing. That is C. CP 60, SP 40. That means it is loss. 20 rupees loss. 20 by 60 into 100. Here 20 is not there. So what you do? I am cutting 0, 0. I got 6. So I am cutting 6 with 10, 5 and 3. Now 3 I cannot cut with 20 and 6 also I cannot cut with 20. So I will multiply 5, 20 is 100 by 3. Now 100 by 3, what I will do? I will divide it. 3, I am dividing with 100. 3 is 9. 1, 0. Again 3 is 9. It's 1. So 33. 1 is remainder. It will go there. And this is the division. This will be the denominator. The answer will be 33. 1 by 3. The percentage can be in mixed form also. There is no problem regarding to it. So you try the rest of the sums. Okay. Thank you.